Hi everyone, it's Megan, and today I'm going to teach you all how to host a badge-ribbon scavenger hunt. I really like the idea of doing a badge-ribbon scavenger hunt just because it's easy, it's cost-effective, and it's a really fun way to get your attendees more engaged with your event. But before we begin, I just want to go over what a badge ribbon is, just in case you aren't familiar. Badge ribbons are fully customizable accessories that attach to the bottom or the side of event badges. You can attach a single badge ribbon to the bottom of your badge, or you can wear multiple by stacking them one on top of the other. Each badge ribbon comes with a strip of adhesive which lets you stick one on top of the other, like this. And that's how you can make a badge ribbon stack on your event badge. You can get in-stock badge ribbons from PC Name Tag. You can get customized ones where if you want a specific word or phrase or hashtag or your event logo on them, you can get those custom, which you can do right on our website. We launched a customization tool, which makes it really easy to customize your own badge ribbons. Otherwise, if you just want a pre-made pack, we sell fun packs on our website that if you just want an assortment of 100 different titles, it's a really great option for conferences and larger events. Now that we know what badge ribbons are, let's talk about how to host a badge ribbon scavenger hunt. There's 4 different steps that you're going to want to follow. Step 1, design a list of tasks or clues. Have attendees follow those clues in order to find hidden containers of badge ribbons throughout the venue. Step 2, create a system for attendees to collect those badge ribbons. For instance, decide if when attendees solve a clue or complete a task, they can check in at a station maybe run by a volunteer where they can check in and get that badge ribbon for completing the task. Step 3, consider offering prizes or incentives. This could be for collecting the most badge ribbons or for the team who completes the hunt in the shortest amount of time. You can even create a leaderboard to encourage competition between individuals or between groups. And fourth, once you have a plan for your scavenger hunt, make sure to promote it before your event. This is a great way to generate interest and ensure a great turnout on the day of your event. You can mention the activity in pre-event marketing emails, in social posts, or on event signage. And that's a wrap. That's how you host a badge ribbon scavenger hunt. Depending on your attendee participation goals, you can even do different variations of badge ribbon activities at your event. For instance, try hosting an industry-related trivia game where attendees can win an exclusive badge ribbon for their name tag. This is a great way to award attendees as you build brand awareness. How have you used badge ribbons at your events? Let me know. And stay tuned for more tag tips.